Alright, this replacing the DTS window, side window. This is passenger side. It's a 2008 DTS. And I already took the window out, took everything off, so I'm gonna just give you a walkthrough of what you gotta do. You only need about 3 tools for this job. You need this, T25. I don't know what you call this wrench, but it's a size T25. You need your screwdriver and your 10mm socket and your flathead to get the panel off. With this, you pop everything off, on the bottom, all through the sides. You pop it open.
Or the clips.
Yeah, the clips. Then you gotta pull it up.
From the clips.
And yeah, good. And you're gonna have these screws on this panel. That's where this comes in. You're gonna have one screw in the where's the screw at? Oh, right here. Before you even take the door panel off, you gotta pop with a little flathead, pop the little gonna be a little cover in here. And with this one, take that screw out, and then you can pop everything off. These are gonna be on this. All you gotta do is push that little thing in the middle, push it in first for it to come out. Don't try to pry it out with a screwdriver. All you gotta do is push the little button in the middle, push that in, and then everything should come off. Once you do that, you bring your window down. Bring it down. Well, bring it down to about right here, so you can take out the bolt with this. Well, not take it out. You're just gonna loosen it. Up here, you take the one side off up here, then you lower it down here, so you can take out the other one. Not take it out. You know, loosen it. See it right there. So it's 2. And then once you do that, you can pull the window out. Make sure you take all the trimming out. See, I took the trimming. It's the window trim in the inside. Don't mess with nothing in the outside. I loosened the side mirror bolts just to loosen the track that the window was on. And I took out the bolt that the track was on right here. Same 10mm. Just so I can move the track back to get the window off the track. The window, so you put your window down and you pull the window in this way. Pull it up, kind of turn it, pull it out towards you. Don't pull it out that way. Pull it in this way. Window's gonna come out. And that's the same way to put it in, I'm pretty sure. That's what I'm about to do now. I'm about to put mine in, and it's coming in from this angle, from the inside. So that's how it comes in and out. Alright, so like and subscribe. If this video was helpful, let me know.